All right, Monday, July 26, 2010. Here comes an Orion craft from the southeast, right over southeast of the cemetery, southeast of Marshmallow Field. Awesome. Thank you, my friends. Greetings tonight. Thank you for this flyby. This is very close.
Rectangular one, I bet.
It's triangular.
I mean triangle.
Yep, triangular ship. Thank you for this awesome sighting. Wow. Look at that. Just evened out as it was flying. It turned over and evened out flat. Look at that. Abena, thank you. This is Abena and her new ship. Thank you, Abena. She's flying.
Planes don't have lights like that.
No, that's a triangle ship. That's Abena in her new ship.
Yeah, just like a triangle.
She's flying around. Look at this. She was taking dips and turns on it and everything. Awesome, Abena. Thank you. That was a close flyby.
Probably making that noise. Throw them off.
Yep. Well, that ship is off. She's headed off to the northwest right now. But when she brought that ship in, she suddenly flattened it and she took a dip to the right and then the left, and she turned on her side and evened it out. It was flying quite at an angle when she brought it in, and then she straightened it out a couple of times. That was awesome.